Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to copy and paste on Windows. So let's start the video. Select the text file or image you want to copy. Now press Ctrl C to copy the selected file or text. Now go to where you want to paste it and press Ctrl V to paste. There you have it. Another way to do copy and paste is select the item you want to copy, right-click and from the menu choose Copy. Now go to the destination folder, right-click again and from here select Paste. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.